Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out best 5 cordless drill 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and users review. Find out more information about these cordless drill, you can check out the links down in the description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. We've compiled a list of top-rated cordless drill driver brands from each category to make the buying process easier for you. Number 1. The best 20V cordless drill, DEWALT DCD795D2. The DEWALT cordless hammer drill is one of the most versatile and reliable cordless drills on the market. Backed by a world-renowned name like DEWALT, you know the DCD795D2 20 volts drill is of the highest quality. This cordless drill is lightweight and great for working in tight spaces. For many home improvement users, they'll find it's the perfect tool for building decks and screwing down decking boards with ease, things like building heavy-duty shelving in the garage, or just about any other project you can throw at it. This drill is a beast of power. Link in the description below. Number 2. Makita XDT12Z 18 volts brushless 4-speed impact driver. The best impact driver for you typically depends on our experience, what you use the tool for, and how much you use it. This Makita 18 volts impact driver review can help you determine if this is the right impact driver to add to your toolbox. Makita XDT12Z 18 volts brushless 4-speed impact driver. This cordless, 18 volts, compact impact driver is faster than the previous cordless model. It is also the smallest of Makita's compact impact drivers. Even though it is the smallest model to date, it is packed with the most features. It has a brushless motor that has 4 speed settings. It features innovative modes like the quick shift mode that finds the right combination of speed and torque for the most secure fastening, and the tightening mode that reduces speeds just before completion to reduce stripping. Link in the description below. Number 3. DEWALT 20V DC-F620B Max Brushless ScrewGun. This cordless screw gun has 4,400 revolutions per minute brushless motor. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90 money-back guarantee. The DEWALT-built motor ensures the maximum amount of runtime. The DEWALT features an ergonomic design that gives it more balance than the corded models. The lock-on nose cone locks securely yet removes easily. It has an attachment for you to add a collated magazine. This is a specialty tool geared towards those that are drywallers. It's pretty much a useless drill outside of installing sheetrock. Link in the description below. Number 4. Hitachi DB3DL2 3.6 volts dual position cordless screwdriver kit. Hitachi is renowned all over the world for the quality of their electronic and electro-mechanical products. Therefore, it did not come across as a surprise when their DB3DL2 cordless screwdriver kit surpassed my expectations. Powered by a 1.5 Ah battery, the tool easily completed all jobs I threw at it. The manufacturers have included 2 battery packs, ensuring that the user could keep on doing his job with one battery while charging the other. The dual position handle was one of the primary factors that led me to purchase this device. Let us dive in and see how this beauty performs. Link in the description below. Number 5. Best cordless hammer drill, Milwaukee M18 2605-20. Milwaukee tools have always enjoyed a good reputation thanks to the company's dedication to design and performance. For the rotary hammer category, they have come up with the 2605-22 M18 cordless 7/8 kit. It runs on 18 volts lithium-ion batteries which are included in the package. This is a powerful machine that is capable of drilling through tough masonry with little effort. If holes need to be made on concrete walls and floors, then this is the tool for the job. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, share and stay with our channel for more updates.